Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn a quick trick on how to search any subtitles on video on VLC media player. And for that we will just open VLC media player and go to view, then vsub, then type the name of your show or the movie. For this I will tap Goblet and hit search by name. Wait for a second, it will search the internet and find all the subtitles available for that show. And once you get your relevant subtitle, click on it and click on download selection. It will give you a link, and you can click on the link to open a browser, and it will download a zip file with the subtitles of your show. You can extract it and import it in VLC media player to view with your video. And that's for now. I will see you in the next video.